This visualization looks at Haitian household access to amenities, especially internet, radio, telephone, and televisions, and compare between child domestic workers and non-child domestic worker households. It used data collected from a survey conducted by FIFO and the Haitian Institute of Childhood. At the top of the dashboard, there's a drop-down filter where you can select specific amenities. Selecting televisions, we can see that the majority of Haitian households surveyed do not have access to televisions. To the right, the graph shows us this is true among both households with and without CDWs or child domestic workers. 59% of non-CDW households never had television access, and 57% of CDW households never had television access. Now selecting radio. It shows that about half of Haitian households have radios and half do not. Breaking it down to whatever it is CDW household, we can see a similar trend as televisions that non-CDW household has higher regular access to amenities. Moving on to telephone, we can see that a large majority, 79% of households do have telephone access. However, telephone access is more regular in non-CDW households than CDW households. Moving to internet, a large majority, over 92% of households do not have internet access. This is significant as computer skills are highly valued and computer jobs often have a higher wages.